I think she wants more.
You should have put a bit more, huh? Mmm.
Yum. Mom, the fork sticks in my... I don't even think about spitting that out.
Definitely should have put a bit more.
Don't you even think about spitting that out.
Some oatmeal? Yeah, do you want it?
She says yum, right?
No, she's trying to figure out what you do with it.
It's not a toy.
Well, she's learning how to swallow. Millie, please be careful. Is that good? More? Yeah.
Dad, are you taking a video? I love videos.
Is it good?
Just sit it. Got it.
Do more. I don't know if any is going down your throat.
Why is it not going down?
Swallow it. Swallow it. I think she did that one. You want some? Say nummy nums.
Nummy num.
Okay, go ahead, now put it in her mouth. Give her a chance to open. Open up. And then you do that. Good. You have to tell Grandma and Pop you fed her, huh?
I want to feed her some more. What? I'm not going to lick my hand. She's full of yellow mouth. And she's messy.
Yes, she's messy. She's probably going to need a bath, huh?
Is that pink? It is?
Go ahead. Hold on, let me... How's it going? Go ahead. Do that.
She got it.
Good job, Amelia. Okay. It's just this is just baby oatmeal.
Maybe someday when I hear she does. She can do this.
Yeah. It's so good, huh?
Maybe if I do it, she'll do it back. Like an animal.
You ready? Open. Ready? Open. Open. Yeah, open. Oh, it's so good, huh? It's so good. Yeah. Yum. Oh, it's so good. You want more? Open.